What's up, guys? I want to show you why we keep fingernail polish in our toolbox. Take a look, might come in handy.
Man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
What's up, YouTube? Today I want to show you guys a trick that we use here at our shop to help it make it a little bit easier when you're changing batteries on a big truck. A lot of times all the cables will be black, all the ends will just be copper or whatever, and I'm going to show you guys a little trick that we use to help make your life a little bit easier. Now, I'm going to pull this out of here. I don't want you guys to freak out. Let me explain myself before we start jumping to conclusions. All of these come from the old Dollar Tree, $1 a piece. We use these to mark different parts on trucks to help us get it all back together, especially when you're working underneath the truck. If you've got a massive amount of airlines coming into something and all of them's black, color coding will help make your life a little easier. When we do battery cables, you would think this would be red, right? Because it's a red bottle. This will actually dry red on a black cable. This looks this color when it's dry. You put this on there and you barely can see it. So anyway, we do use fingernail polish quite a bit to mark our crap. So let me show you what we're talking about. All right, guys, we're changing this one out, but as you can tell, this one's actually got color-coded battery terminals on it. That's red, and here's the black ones. So this is kind of a bad example, but what I'm gonna do is just kind of show you how we do it. Like, we'll just mark, you know, the battery terminals so we can tell the difference. I've actually got the truck that we just swapped out yesterday with some cables on, and we'll go out there and take a look at it, and that way you can see what I'm talking about. Kind of how we use it and how it looks on black terminals. So this was a bad example. Sorry, I didn't know that we got the side box off, but I'll show you on the other truck, and that way you guys can take a look. All right, guys, as you can see, the red that we put on that battery right here, you can see that's fingernail polish. That's this color when it dries on black. As you can see, all the cables on this truck is black, so we used fingernail polish to make sure that we had our red terminals. You can come around here on this side, and you can see where we put the red directly on the copper. So that's what we use to help us identify, because the cables aren't always the right cables. So anyway, guys, like always in my videos, if you like that thing, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe down here below, and we'll catch y'all next time.